Welcome, family and friends. We are gathered here to celebrate the love of MyAnh and Andreas. While fate has brought you two together, you are here today because you are making a choice. You are both choosing each other. You are embarking upon a great adventure through which all of us here know you will prevail, as you have chosen to be with someone who supports you, who makes you think, makes you smile, and makes every day brighter.
On behalf of my deceased brother and sister-in-law, welcome.
Even though our mom and dad may not be here with us today, I know they're looking down on us and smiling ear to ear, maybe judging a little bit, but ecstatic nonetheless.
Thank you for being here today to share the happiest day of MyAnh and Andreas.
Growing up with MyAnh as the oldest sister was interesting. On one hand, she wanted to be the cool sister, and on the other, she wanted to set a good example for both Monica and I. Sure, she was strict a few times, but it's those moments that turned Monica and I into the adults that we are today.
Aside from being the perfect role model for us, she is everything else to everyone else. She is compassionate, supportive, kind, patient, maybe a bit too easygoing sometimes. She runs late sometimes. But anyways, someone who I believe to be a total badass. It is very fitting then that she found someone who can match her energy and challenge her to be even greater.
Luckily, we didn't scare away Andreas. In fact, he wanted to stick around and get to know us even better. Through all this process, he has become an integral part of our family.
We met over 13 years ago, have been dating for over 11 years, finally moved together to the same continent over 6 years ago, and been engaged for over 2 years. And that's all a very long time. But what I think has become crystal clear over the years is that we always naturally gravitate back towards each other, no matter how far the distance may have been between us. Wow, Shivans. Oh, very nice. That's amazing. That's even better than I thought it would be. Love everything about this.
You want to do a twirl, Shivans?
For me? Because you can't twirl, right?
No, I don't want to go anywhere.
Okay, now I'm going to have to carry you?
Yeah, you have to carry this.
Okay, well, I can try.
Okay, thanks. But maybe we were destined to find each other, even though we were on two different continents with an ocean in between us. And Helen, the tarot card reader lady, did say that we had loved each other for lifetimes before.
Ob man nun an schicksalhafte Fügung glaubt oder von Zufall spricht, stets passiert Unvorhersehbares. Oder wie der Philosoph und Theologe Albert Schweitzer sagte, Zufall ist das Pseudonym, das der liebe Gott wählt, wenn er inkognito bleiben will.
When I was much younger, my dad told me that one day I would marry a person who would be able to take my hand and lead me to become the person that I'd always wanted to be, but that I couldn't be all on my own.
The unconditional love and limitless empathy that you have for your family, your loved ones, and really anybody who makes it into your inner circle has truly impressed me from the very first time that we met. You're the most caring, compassionate, and selfless person that I know.
Years later, when my mom first found out that I was dating some German guy named Andreas, she asked me two things. First, is he tall? And second, she asked me, is he smart? And I think they'd be really happy to see us here today.
Dear MyAnh, we are proud to call you our daughter-in-law. It is with love and joy that we welcome you in our family.
Dear Andy, dear MyAnh, best wishes and all our love on your wedding day.
Close your eyes, baby, we can relive it.
I want to promise you that I will love you unconditionally, promise to support you whenever you need it, and I also promise to push you to continue pursuing the dreams of your life.
As your wife, I promise to take your hand and to always love you the best that I can, and to grow into the deeper meanings of love that we don't even know yet. I promise that in this life, every kiss, every laugh, and even any tears and any fights will be taken as an opportunity to learn how to love you even more.
You are the person that I choose to live forever with, spend forever with. I love you.
May your love be a lifelong source of excitement, affection, and devotion for one another. By the power of your love and commitment, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
I promise to always support your dreams no matter what they be. I promise to support your DJ career. Please follow Anso on SoundCloud.
Got a cab, I just landed in LA. Sent you a text, I know it's a little late. Across the world, but you're just a flight away. Fly you out a couple nights, what do you say? Baby, I've been thinking.
I promise and try to make you laugh every day, even though that success rate of that is probably the actual joke here.
Pack your bag and baby, let's go to an island or the West Coast. Hit the beach where we can lay low. Get your flight and get away.
They ran out of vodka soda, so I'm having a vodka claw.
Just take a little break, yeah, let's have a good.
Together, they are a powerhouse that can accomplish anything.
So here's to MyAnh and Andreas. May they have many years of love and happiness together.